Every time that I see your face, it always makes me smile. Oh, oh. And every time that I drive to you, it's always worth my while. Oh, oh. So let me sing for you, like the birds in the mountains do, like a child who cries for you, cries for you. So let me sing for you, about the streets and the avenues. There's nothing I'd rather.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and as you can see, I'm done with the brows. I'm now blending out the concealer. In this case, I'll prefer someone to use a sponge, because it's a beginner friendly makeup routine. I'm gonna use one flat brush till the end, okay? Stay tuned. So now I'm setting the concealer using a setting powder, and that brush does it perfectly. So guys, the thing is, my camera was not recording for real, and I came to notice that after I've done these eyeshadows on the outer parts of my eyes. So I'm sorry, you're going to miss that, and we're going to move on regardless, okay? We've not gone so far. You can see the way I've applied the eyeshadows on the outer parts. It's so funny, right? Let's move on. Blend the eyeshadow perfectly to avoid the harsh lines, okay? So let's now cut the crease using a concealer, or if you have an eyeshadow primer, you can still use it. This thing of cutting the crease, I'm not a perfectionist, but these are raw footage of how I usually do it and how well it turns out, okay? Okay, wait for it.
So let me sing for you, like the birds in the mountains do, like a child who cries for you, cries for you. So let me sing for you, about the streets and the avenues. There's nothing I'd rather do, rather do. Every time that I see your face, it always makes me smile. And every time that I drive to you, it's always worth my while. So let me sing for you, like the birds in the mountains do, like a child who cries for you, cries for you. So let me sing for you, about the streets and the avenues. There's nothing I'd rather do, rather do. So let me sing for you, like the birds in the mountains do, like a child who cries for you, cries for you. So let me sing for you, about the streets and the avenues. There's nothing I'd rather do, rather do.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. Run away, I don't have to plan it. I can go, change my fate, you won't understand it. All alone, that's okay, people I can't stand them. They don't want me to change, keep me where I'm standing. And I don't wanna be where I am, and I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
언젠가부터였을까 기다린